Russian misinformation undermining COVID-19 vaccine confidence in the US, GEC says. Three Russian outlets were identified linked to spreading misinformation about the COVID-19 virus. This was unveiled by the Global Engagement Center of the US Department of State. The same outlets were also associated with spreading other exploitable elements, such as military conflicts and protests. The US State Department spokesperson said, "These sites all vary in their reach, tone, and audience, but they all are spreading Russian propaganda and disinformation." According to CNN, the three outlets are Newsfront, New Eastern Outlook, and Oriental Review. While GEC is mainly focused on recognizing and exposing threats that may undermine US security and stability and its allies, it has been tasked to monitor misinformation and other factors related to the pandemic. This is a task to increase vaccine confidence, especially now as another vaccine got EUA from the FDA. Despite the increase in vaccine confidence since the rollout, hesitancy remains persistent, and GEC alleged the three outlets as sources of COVID-19 misinformation. A spokesman for the Kremlin denied the accusation to the Wall Street Journal, where the report first came out. The Kremlin spokesman said that Russian special services aren't connected to any criticism against COVID-19 vaccines. The journal cited one vaccine allegedly questioned by the Russian government and Russian state media on Twitter. The account specifically questioned the cost and safety of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, but the claim was considered as a promotion of the Sputnik V vaccine. Back in August 2020, a report by GEC included many Russian media entities, including Newsfront and New Eastern Outlook. The same report highlighted how Russia's disinformation and propaganda spreads. Newsfront was alleged to have spread that the new Chinese virus might be man-made. It suggested closing an American lab in Alma-Ata. Zvezda TV, meanwhile, linked an outbreak of pneumonia in China with a biological weapon test. Sputnik Arabic asked if the coronavirus was a secret US biological weapon, which Govoret Moskva also claimed. However, the alleged attacks from Russian state media against certain COVID-19 vaccines went as far as claiming of contracting Bell's palsy, a paralysis of facial muscles. That claim was aimed at Pfizer's and Moderna's vaccines. The US government is juggling different issues, from vaccine hesitancy to the invasion of new SARS-CoV-2 variants. The country needs to speed up its vaccination program to catch up with the growth rate of the UK variant. Recently, a study showed that the new variant has a growth rate of up to 90%.